How to log in into your DarwinBox employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Darwin employee account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, open up your web browser and search for Darwin. So search for DarwinBox employee account. So simply search for DarwinBox employee login and there you'll find the login button. Now you can select Darwin. If you have a specific company, you can just head over to their website as well. I'll just head over to the Darwin's box, and after you're there, you'll see employee ID and employee password. All you have to do is type in employee ID and you type in your password. You can just use the visibility option as well, and there you will see different options. Now if you want to go to the dashboard, select dashboard. If you want your attendance, your vibe, and everything there, you can just select whichever you want. There you'll also find a remember me button to make sure that your logging in process gets easier later on. After doing all that, you can tap on sign in to sign in into your account. If by chance you've ever forgotten your password, there is also an option to recover your password. Now finally tap on sign in and you're logged in into your employee account. And that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.